Okay, today we are going to look at uh, one of the trades that was recently executed, not fully, but semi-partially, I would say. But let's quickly take a look at the context on how the trade was initially taken. Okay, so if you clearly look at this pound USD pair, this is something that we've been watching uh, over the week, since you know that overall we are in a trend, and we can clearly see that the flow is always to the upside. So we can guess that this is a trend, right? So until here, we had basically an uptrend completely taking the prices up. So we are expecting prices to basically pull back to a discount area so that we can buy it, right? So if you can see, there is clearly an order block here, absolutely on this area. So I was planning to buy if the prices ever come back to this. And if you see, the prices came, but then immediately get rejected and go a bit higher. So this is a good sign that this is definitely a something which is important for us to consider. So at this point in time, uh, I'm looking at how uh, the whole thing has changed. So let's quickly take it 1 hour. Okay, and if you look at this, we have we have this price movement that's coming down, isn't it? So we're carefully looking at how this price reacts. Therefore, what we can do is let's simply understand how the flow is currently going on the 15 minute. About that. So this is on the 1 hour time frame. So we have the price coming here, and there's a pullback. Then the price sweeps down, but then ends up closing higher. This clearly confirms that prices are trying to reverse, and we are simply looking at a price, deeper into these areas where we can start purchasing from. Okay, and this is happening somewhere in the New York time. So we're looking at this one, but this was a trade I was looking at this week. So this price action has already been completed, and on Monday, that is 5th of Jan. That is when we started getting the prices even deeper below, probably taking the liquidity below this point. So I went one time frame below to understand where 15 minutes downtrend is going to end so that I can start taking the trade. This is where it is on Monday. If you look at that, it's slowed down a bit. There's a buyer, there's a seller here, a bit of a pullback, seller, a bit of a pullback. Then we have this, and then it was until this point we haven't closed the trade above, right? So we have some sort of a push higher than the swing point, and therefore I was expecting the prices to probably come around this level, right? So we have this open imbalance. So I kind of took the trade here, the entry point, approximately around this, okay, and I wanted to stop losses below that, okay. So I had two targets in mind. One target was approximately this swing point that I was interested in, okay. My second target is approximately this one, right? So with this risk, I was expecting two rewards, but ultimately I moved the position to break even after exiting here, but ended up taking my trade here. Yeah. So overall, this is how it happened, and I could not profit a lot out of this trade, but this is the complete analysis of what the trade has been. Thank you.